In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your shipping address in Etsy. This is really useful if you've moved, you're shipping from a different location, or you just want to make sure your orders go to the right place every time. I'll walk you through the process step by step, so feel free to follow along on your own screen. First, you'll want to open Etsy and go to your Shop Manager dashboard. This is the main control center for your Etsy shop, where you handle orders, listings, and settings. If you're not already signed in, log into your Etsy account, then look for the Shop Manager option, usually at the top of the page on desktop. Click that to open your dashboard. Once you're in the Shop Manager, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area there, often showing your shop name or icon. Click on that profile section. This is where you access your personal and shop-related account options. After clicking your profile, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose Account Settings. This is where Etsy keeps most of your core account information, like your email, security options, and of course, your addresses. Go ahead and click Account Settings to open that page. Inside Account Settings, look for the tab or section labeled Addresses. This is dedicated to the different addresses linked to your account, such as your shipping and billing details. Click on Addresses to open your address management screen. On the Addresses page, you'll see any existing addresses you've already saved. To add a new one, look for the button that says Add a New Address and click it. This will open a form where you can enter your updated shipping details. Now, carefully fill in each field. Start with the country, making sure you select the correct one from the list. Then enter your full name exactly as it should appear on shipping labels. Add your street address, and if you live in an apartment or flat, include that in the designated field so carriers can find you easily. Next, type in your city and your postal or zip code. Take a moment to double check everything, especially the postal code, since even a small mistake can cause delivery issues. When you're sure all the information is correct, click the Save button. Etsy will store this new address in your account, and you'll be able to select it as your shipping address when placing or managing orders. And that's it. You've successfully added and updated your shipping address in Etsy.